Hey, what's up? Guys, today I'm gonna show you how I'm driving from my place to South Beach. I'm going to show you how to drive with Whizzyride. As you can see, bag is pretty light, so it's got a lot of features, positive features. One of them, of course, is your own key. So you've got your own key how to ride, so safety reasons, nobody's gonna steal your stuff. Here you've got information about the battery level, speed, your total mileage. You see 852 miles, light acceleration gears.
Connected.
Yeah? Oh, connected. Why? Bluetooth speaker. You can connect your phone with the bike and listen to music. Alright guys, the time is 1 moment. Because of the service on the road, I mostly use, I have to take a shortcut and some alternative roads. Anyway, I want to show you how easily you can lift up the bike and, you know, go through any difficulties, any problems you have on the way. So that's another good point. Made of aluminium, no problem with the rust. All right, let's go.
My chocolate attack. Shit, I'm stepping in harder this year. Yeah, been repping in harder this year. Watch me as I gravitate. We gon' ghost town, it's Motown with your sound. You in the blink, gon' bite the dust, can't fight with us. With your sound, you kill the ink. So don't stop, get it, until you chat ahead and watch the way I navigate.
Nice to be first always.
Windmill for the land, I'm forever hanging. Take it all out on your stride. It is taking holding land. Love forever, love is free. Let's turn forever, you and me. Windmill for the land is everybody in.
We have the bridge coming on the Venetian Causeway.
Don't stop, shit it, get it. Deep high captains in it, steady, watch me navigate.
Weekend is the weekend and it's sunny in the park. Well, I'll stay here with my beer and fish and chips till it gets dark. I got a lot of homework, but homework you can't wait. I never start my homework till it's already too late. My parents say think about your future and my teachers say the same, but it's hard when there's a basketball game at the park. It's 1998 and everybody's saying, Harry, you're gonna be a lawyer someday. It's Monday, bloody Monday, and there's two things I forgot. I forgot to do my homework, and I only got one, so I'm halfway through a test, but I just can't concentrate. One sitting next to Fontaine, I wanna ask her on a date. I really wanna start a conversation, but each time she walks past, I start choking on my pencil and fall flat on my ass. I need to concentrate. If I don't
guys, so here we are, Whizzyride store. So the fleet over here of the rental bikes, we've got couple different options. The pedal one of my favorites. It would be one of the next videos. Inside the store, you can find, as you can see, a lot of customers already over here renting that stuff. We've got, you know, like a used bikes and very like a nice customized bikes over here. Couple helmets. Also, in next few videos, I'll do some tests of that. Couple other stuff. Very nice hand painted bikes over here. So guys, definitely check the Whizzyride.com, and yeah, follow next videos if you're interested about the subject. I will try to do next videos very shortly, and let's test some other things right now. All right, take it easy.